the research are showing that all the CEOs that they decided to go AI first, getting rid of all the human material in their organization, they are failing miserably. So I ask it for the sake of the recording, because so finally people can understand what a successful CEO is doing. I believe that you are empowering your employees with the right AI tools, not trying to chop their head with a cheap AI tool that does their job, isn't it?
Well, yeah. We have tools for the sales team, for the CS team, for the dev team, the marketing team, so every team. But it's a way to boost efficiency and to enable them to work on more interesting tasks most of the time, so they can do more with less time. And usually, when you're not stressed all the time with tasks and priorities, you have more time to innovate. And for now, AI cannot innovate by itself. And so it's a way to take the best of both worlds, innovation through connectivity, discussion between the teams, and what will be the new need of the customer in 2 years. Maybe you could do this also. It's not needed, but if we did, it could be amazing. The other tasks that can be helped by AI to leave more time for innovation.
Yes, absolutely. And I'm curious of the last thing here, because it's clear that your organization is moving in a direction that is human driven by design. After the COVID, did you order your people to return to the office like a lot of large corporation they are doing, enforcing return to the office policies, or how it evolved your way of working after the COVID?
So after the COVID, we went back to the office with 3 days in the office and 2 days in remote. We tried 3 days remote, and what I thought is that we had a bit less of communication and innovation, and so we scaled back to 2 days in remote. And I think it's the good equilibrium, 2 days. And we stayed on this model ever since. The dev teams are all in remote. They're everywhere in France, but the sales, the marketing, the administrative, financial, the CS, all are in Paris, and they have 2 days remote. Yeah.
This is beautiful because more social driven operation part of the company, they require, and this is the data that we gather as well from a lot of our customers. For operational efficiencies, you need also human connectivity. So you need really to put salespeople one near the other. For developers, instead, due to their way of working, remote social programming with pair and mob programming with the latest technology to work from remote is providing the best results. Because, and this is last stuff that I have on my agenda for us, from the data that I have, it seems that working from remote for a developer is reducing what we call social noise, because in the office developers are disturbed and so they cannot focus to do creativity and highly cognitive demanding work as development. Is this something that you have found as well?